to this video on Governance Framework. After watching this video, you will be able to describe Program Governance Framework and its key focus areas. You will also be able to summarize the contents of a Program Governance Plan. The Program Governance Framework is like a traffic control system. Wondering how? Just as traffic lights, signposts, and signals direct vehicles and pedestrians to ensure smooth and safe travel, the Program Governance Framework ensures that every decision, action, and oversight stays aligned with its goals. One of the key focus areas of the Program Governance Framework includes organizational and portfolio governance. This is like ensuring all the puzzle pieces fit perfectly into the bigger picture. The program's move should align with the firm's portfolio and strategic initiatives. To keep everything on track, the Program Governance Framework also focuses on how the program should adhere to all the rules and legal and regulatory requirements, such as following industry standards or obtaining the proper licenses. Another focus area of the Program Governance Framework is program change governance, which includes having a backup plan for your lineup. The framework helps you manage changes smoothly by defining what changes are allowed and who needs to approve them. So, if the road leading to your destination is blocked, you will know which alternative route to take. The Program Governance Framework also focuses on managing the program's budget to prevent overspending and allocate resources wisely. Additionally, the Program Governance Framework includes procurement governance. Think of it as shopping with a particular list. Every item or procurement should be checked off according to your organization's rules, ensuring nothing extra is bought and everything is exactly as it should be according to the guidelines. The Program Governance Framework mentions setting clear boundaries and processes to handle risks inside and outside the program. This ensures that potential issues are managed smoothly and not derail the project. Imagine following a recipe while cooking. If you skip a few steps or use the wrong ingredients, the dish might turn out to be something else. Similarly, the Program Governance Framework establishes processes and standards with regular quality checks. Finally, the Program Governance Framework focuses on how stakeholder management should be accomplished according to the organizational norms and expectations. Imagine you're the director of a play. Ensuring stakeholder engagement means ensuring all actors, crew members, and audience members are on the same page and enjoying the show according to the theater's guidelines. Now that you have explored the key areas of the Program Governance Framework, let's explore how to create a program governance plan. This plan ensures that all aspects of the Program Governance Framework are documented, understood, and adhered to. Some firms may choose to develop a generic governance plan that supports all programs and projects. There is no established format for a governance plan, so it can be customized to fit the exact needs of your program. Suppose your company is launching a critical project to improve its operations and achieve strategic goals. To achieve this, your team develops a thorough program governance plan to ensure the project's success. First, your team maps out the governance structure, outlining the roles and responsibilities of key players. This includes the governance board, the Program Management Office, or the PMO, and the program sponsor. They ensure everyone knows their duties. Picture the PMO as a coach, providing the tools and support needed to keep the project running smoothly. Next, your team incorporates a decision-making framework, which details how decisions are made and how to handle issues, ensuring that these processes align with your organization's strategic goals. To keep things on track, your team develops key performance indicators, or KPIs, like system uptime and user satisfaction scores, and sets up regular reporting to keep an eye on these metrics and spot any issues early on. Next, the team details the financial management processes, including budgeting, forecasting, and financial reporting. The PMO's role here is crucial, ensuring that spending stays within budget and financial plans support the project's goals. When it comes to resource management, your team outlines a clear strategy for acquiring, allocating, and managing resources, be they human, financial, or material. They define the PMO's role as a guiding hand to ensure resources are used efficiently. They also strategize on how to keep communication with stakeholders clear and consistent, with the PMO supporting these stakeholder engagement efforts. To manage changes, they set up processes to handle and communicate adjustments effectively, ensuring smooth transitions. Additionally, your team sets clear criteria for selecting and managing vendors and regularly evaluates their performance. They keep all procurements within budget and under financial controls and establish audit procedures to ensure that contracts deliver the promised value. Benefits realization is a key focus, and a plan to track and measure the success of the project's benefits ensures alignment with strategic objectives. Your team then tackles risk and issue management detailing processes for identifying, assessing, and managing risks and issues. Additionally, they include robust contingency plans and risk mitigation strategies to handle unforeseen challenges. Finally, for compliance and quality assurance, the team sets guidelines for adhering to standards, policies, and regulations and defines quality assurance processes and criteria. By following these steps, your team creates a successful program governance plan that aligns with strategic goals and delivers the intended benefits. In this video, you learned that the key focus areas of a program governance framework include organizational and portfolio governance, rules and regulations, program change governance, and budget and resource governance. It also includes procurement governance, program risk and issues governance, program quality governance, and stakeholder engagement. You also learned that there are several components of a program governance plan. The governance structure outlines the roles of the key players of the program. The decision-making framework defines procedures for decisions and issue management. Performance monitoring is achieved by setting KPIs and scheduling regular reports. Budgeting, forecasting, and financial reporting processes are established, alongside resource management strategies. Stakeholder engagement and change management ensure clear communication and smooth transitions. Procurement management includes details about vendor selection, performance evaluation, and budget adherence. Benefits realization is tracked to align with strategic goals, and risk management includes contingency plans. Finally, compliance and quality assurance guidelines ensure adherence to standards and regulations.